you gonna go help him?
Oh my God, Daddy! Oh my God!
Want me to help him out?
Yeah, there's a net right over there.
Okay.
Let's keep this thing humane.
Okay, how big is this fish? Is he big enough for dinner?
Yeah, I think
job,
it's
buddy.
big.
Nice.
For dinner? Yeah. Wow. Big one. I got a fish. Can I try and get one?
That's the first fish you've ever caught, eh?
Yeah. I just got a fish in the basement. I got a fish in the basement.
Deanna, do you want to catch a fish
Look at
too?
that. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna try
Look at the
next?
size of that
Oh my
guy.
gosh, there's dinner. Should we get a pot to put him in?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook them.
Yeah, we're gonna cook him. We're gonna have fish tacos tonight.
You gotta
Okay.
keep him off
Okay.
the hook.
Maybe
Okay.
one or
Mom will
two
get him off
fish
the
will
hook.
do.